Jimmy.
Now what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I wanna turn on this Becky quick. While the average man looking at this act like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dropped, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounces. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thumb, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the future, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and die. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL. Hey, my family. Profits. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? And make profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? And make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? And make profits.
That TTG money gang.
And making profits.
We some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. Hope you all had a fantastic weekend, but are ready to get down to business. My name is Michael Edward Paranati. I go by Michael Edward, and I'm the co-founder and head trader at True Trading Group. In case you didn't know, we were a Benzinga FinTech Awards finalist last year for Best Data Analysis Tool, and we are currently the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines university-level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto, and futures. We day trade, we swing trade, we also cover long-term investing. There's literally something for everybody here at True Trading Group. Now, when you join TTG, you guys gain immediate access to about $15,000 worth of education, tools, resources that have helped thousands of TTG members make money and become better traders and investors, no matter how much time they had, no matter how much experience they had, or how much money they had to start with. An annual membership to TTG, it's all inclusive, normally costs $2,212 for the year. It comes in and includes all of our comprehensive university level education. It's a simplified and expanded upon version of the training program that I received working at a fund in New York City. There's a stock market foundation course for beginners. You're going to learn about chart patterns and mastering stock chart analysis. You're going to get introductions to technical indicators, the best ones to use, the ones that all of our professional traders use and how to use them properly. Understanding the art of short selling. You're going to get a course on swing trading, specifically advanced options trading, as well as intro to options trading. A stock market crash course, so you guys know how to make money when markets actually go down. A futures trading course. You're going to get an options trading course, a crypto course. Hell, there's even a course that helps you guys do your taxes. Of course, trader psychology courses, crucial, the most important part when it comes to trading. Trading's 80% mental, so those trader psychology courses are my personal favorite. You're also going to get access to all the different moderators and their trading styles. So there's 8 professional full-time trading mods at TTG. You're going to get swing trading, day trading, options, futures, scalping, and long-term investing. We literally do it all. Not to mention, then you're going to have all the tools, the technology, and the resources on our platform. There's a reason we were a finalist for Best Data Analysis Tool at the Benzinga FinTech Awards. You're going to get access to TradingView's premium charting software, Quote Media with real-time data, Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, and Squawk with government trades, insider trades. You're going to get a simulator provided by ET&A. You're going to get unusual options activity, dark pool data, options flow, short data, custom scanners, of course, the TTG AI trading and investing assistant, and our supportive community. We've got about 10,000 members in 115 different countries. You will also be able to use our real-time translation for seamless communication across that. Obviously, people being in 115 different countries, not everybody's first language is English, so you do have our seamless translation technology on our platform. And then you have the video library. Thousands of hours of workshops like how to trade while working a full-time job, how to grow a small account, how to avoid FOMO, stay in winning trades longer. All of that is included when you guys join the TTG platform. You'll always get full transparency and trustworthiness from us, all of the moderators, daily submissions of our trading records from the brokerage accounts right into our website, where you can see that the moderators and I have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate of just around 80% on all of our executions now going on the last 4 years. We're 4.7 star rated out of 5 on Trustpilot with about 2,500 reviews over the last 4 or 5 years. We have a 78% retention rate amongst our members and a less than a 2.5% refund rate. Last but not least, we do offer a double your money back guarantee here at True Trading Group because we put our money where our mouth is and we stand behind the platform that we have created here today. Now, why offer all this? Because we put our money where our mouth is, like I said. TTG works, and by works, I very simply mean that our members are making money and they're becoming better traders. And if you don't believe me, watch, I'll show you. Members of TTG, do me a favor real quick. Go ahead right now and type the number 1 if you guys are making money and becoming better traders because of TTG. Just go ahead right now and type the number 1 inside of chat. Anyone that's on this live that is not yet a member of this community, you pay attention right now to how many people you see type the number 1 on this side of the screen, because these, my friends, are your friends. They are your coworkers. They are your family members. And if they can do this, then so can you. Now, why should you listen to anything it is that we discuss on this channel? Well, not just because you see that our members are making money, but it's also because I didn't figure this out by sitting in Discord chats or watching YouTube videos. Like I said to you before, I began my trading career working at T3 Alpha Fund in New York City, my first job right out of college, where they had me go through a training program before I was ever able to touch $1 of their money. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession, the big stock market crash, but it was also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now, like I said, I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group, and along with my 8 professional full-time trading mods and over 30-person staff, we've helped thousands of members from all over the world to reach their goals. So if you are ready to learn trade and profit for real, you've come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live on this channel where myself, other mods, and special guests will drop golden nuggets, give you free lessons, education, trade ideas, and commentary that can help you make money. So if you've not yet done so, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. Make sure you never miss out on any of these live streams. Before we get into it all tonight, guys, I want to take a second. I do want to thank our partners at Benzinga. For those of you guys that don't know, Benzinga offers their own educational products and tools, yet they still fully endorse the TTG platform for the massive added value they provide to their members and community. We are very grateful to Benzinga for the opportunity to further educate their community and to also offer the Benzinga Pro news feed and Squawk, which is worth over $1,000 a year on its own. You guys get that included when you join TTG's annual membership. So, folks, if you're here from Benzinga, welcome. You're all in the right place. All right. Also, earlier today, this is going to be a great live stream. Earlier today, we sent out an invitation for a giveaway. Yes, we're doing another giveaway tonight. We love these giveaways, right? I love doing them. You guys like getting them. So the way that this giveaway is going to go down, I'm giving away some amazing prizes later on during this stream. I'm going to be providing 2 code words on this live stream. Okay? I'm going to be providing 2 code words on this live stream. Okay? And the first code word's coming in a moment. The second will come later. You're going to need to know both code words if your name is called later on during the live stream. So what I will tell you now, make sure you are watching this live. At the bottom corner, right there, next to the play button, is a little button or a little word. It says live. Click it. If you are live, there should be a red dot next to the word live. That's how you know you're live. So make sure you click the live button, because if I call your name later on during the live, you only have 2 minutes to send a text message to the phone number that we put on the bottom of the screen to give us those 2 code words. And if you can give us the code words within the 2-minute time frame, you win. Okay? You get the prize. So make sure you are watching this live. So click that button down there. Make sure you see a red dot. Make sure you're watching this live. With that being said, the first code word for tonight is jobs. Jobs. J-O-B-S. Jobs. Jobs is the first code word for tonight. All right, so the second code word is going to come on later during this live stream. But the first code word is jobs. You're going to need to know both code words if your name is called later, because we're going to put everyone's name into a random name picker called the Wheel of Names, right? We're going to spin that wheel right here live. If your name's called, you'll have 2 minutes to text the phone number we put on the screen. Give me the code words. The prize is yours. Get it? Got it? Good. Excellent. Jobs, first code word. Write it down. Now listen up. We got a lot to get into here tonight. I'm going to be sharing with you some of my top trade ideas for the week. We had a wild end to a crazy week last week. Last week, the market started to sell off. We were down 3 days in a row. And then Friday afternoon happened, and the market just shocked everybody. The market took everybody by surprise. The market had a huge reversal on Friday. Look at the candle that was put in here on Friday. You take a look at this intraday chart, just insane reversal. Now, I'm being completely honest with you guys. We were all over the short early, right? We anticipated the short early because this big sell-off in the morning. We had some really great trades inside of True Trading Group on the platform. It was a great week for us. We finished off big. So that market did exactly what we had expected. But being honest, sure as hell didn't expect that going into the close. So that caught me by a little surprise there. The last 30 minutes of the day, the market just exploded for the last 30, 20 minutes of the day out of nowhere. And that caught everybody by surprise. While everybody was kind of leaving their desk and was getting ready for the weekend, and the market absolutely freaking ripped face. So where do we go from here? Right? Where do we go from here? We've got the jobs report coming up. So everybody wants to know what's going to happen here with the labor report. Futures are trading higher right now. We're up over 0.2% on the NASDAQ. We're up over 0.2% on the S&P. So I'm going to give you guys my top trade ideas, but I want to discuss with you a little theory that I have real quick. This is a theory that I kind of have, and I want to kind of have this discussion with you guys all. I've got a theory on why this market is the most opportunistic market that I've ever seen in my entire life. If you've been following this channel for the last several years, honestly, you've probably heard me at some point say, this is the most opportunistic market environment that I've ever seen in my career. I've been doing this for 18 years. I've seen bull markets, bear markets, expansions, recessions, sideways markets. I've seen it all. This is hands down the most opportunistic market that I've ever seen in my entire life. Not just because the markets are at all-time highs. It's the way in which the market is trading. It's the way in which stocks are moving that makes this the most opportunistic environment that I've ever seen. It's the way that small caps, mid caps, large caps, commodities, stocks, options, futures, crypto, every single financial instrument that you could imagine is on fire. It's on absolute fire. And I believe it is because of 2 words. One which comes first, the second follows. Those 2 words are liquidity and volatility. That sexy V word, volatility, a trader's best friend. Now, markets are cyclical, right? Meaning they kind of follow a pattern. They'll go up, they go down, they go up, they go down, right? Something that could be up today is down tomorrow. Seasonal trading is kind of a good example of this. Like seasonal trading, they say, sell in May, go away. They say that September and October are usually bad months in the stock market. December is usually a green month. These are all just seasonal things where the market just kind of will tend to repeat themselves. Another example is like Bitcoin. right? When Bitcoin first rallied to 60K and then it crashed all the way back down to 12K. Now it's back to 70K. And that's not the first time that Bitcoin has made a move like that over the last decade. I mean, Bitcoin is infamous from these huge rallies, these big crashes, huge rallies again, and so on. And these cycles kind of repeat themselves. And the markets do the same thing. You go into bull markets, and you have economic expansions, then you have an economic contraction, you have a recession, the market crashes, and then the market economy expands again. The markets experience another bull market, you make new all-time highs, then the markets will pull back again. You saw that just over the last couple of years. You saw a recession in 2020 because of COVID, the markets crashed. We made a new all-time high in 2021. Then the markets crashed again in 2022. We made a new all-time high in 23, and here we are again, all-time highs in 2024. So you're seeing these cycles just kind of repeating themselves. When markets crash, markets make new all-time highs. Markets crash, markets make new all-time highs. And that's been the case for the last 100 plus years, where the markets will make a new all-time high, then the markets eventually crash, then a couple of years later, they make another new all-time high. I mean, all you need to do is just take a look at a chart, right? All you got to do is take a look at a chart. You just see that every time the market's making an all-time high, you'll have a pullback, new all-time high, pullback, et cetera. And that cycle just kind of repeats itself, right? Now, everybody kind of wanted to know, how did COVID change the markets, if anything at all? And this is the theory that I have that I want to share with you on why I believe this is the most opportunistic environment and the best time to make money that I've ever seen in my life. I truly believe, and I'm not just saying this, I truly and genuinely believe that right now, today, this market is the best environment for non-professionals to make money, and a lot of it. Not the meme stock craze, because a lot of people say, oh no, the meme stock craze was the best opportunity for people to make money. The meme stock craze was the best opportunity for non-professionals to be completely and utterly fooled. To be completely fooled into thinking that, oh, this is how the stock market works. Oh, I'm actually really good at this. Or, oh, I know what I'm doing. Or, oh, this is how stocks trade. It was a false sense of reality. It was a false sense of success. Many people that are on this live stream probably experienced it themselves, where you made a ton of money in 2021 and then you lost all of it in 22 or 23, probably even then some. So that was a good time for people to, sure, make money, but not actually keep it. And if you're not keeping the money and growing the money, then you really never made it in the first place, because that's what this is about. It's not just about making money. It's about keeping it and then growing it, right? That's the goal. That's the whole point of this. And I'm telling you that I truly believe that this market environment, with the way in which stocks are trading, the amount of volatility that there is, how there's phenomenal day trades on every single day, there's phenomenal swing trades every single day, because stocks are making very large moves in much shorter periods of time. I believe this is the best market environment for non-professionals to make money on a consistent basis, period, that I've ever seen in my 18 years. Never mind, you added to the fact all the technology that's available today. You add on to like our TTG trading assistant that can actually help you guys with all of your analysis, your decision-making, your trade placements, and everything else while you're busy working your full-time job or taking your kid to soccer practice or whatever it is. You've never had a time like this where technology was this advanced and the market was this opportunistic. You've got both of those things coming to a head right now. And when people ask me, how did COVID change the market? I think that the influx of 10 million new retail traders and all the stimulus that was injected to the economies all around the world, and the stimulus that was injected into, regular just consumers as well, all of that liquidity has found its way into the stock market. Those 10 million retail traders have found their way into the stock market, and they are still here. And that liquidity has created a volatile market, the likes of which we've never seen before. And I have a pretty good data set to look back at of 18 years of examples. I think that all of this has just accelerated and has sped up the time in between these cycles of markets making new all-time highs. You go into a bull market, then you have a market crash or a correction, then the markets go back into a bull market. Those cycles usually happen over the course of several years. The S&P usually, on average, yearly, goes up between 9 and 11% per year. We went up 27% in 6 months. Let me say that to you again. The average yearly return is 9 to 11% on the year. We went up 27% in 6 months. November, December, January, February, actually 5 months. Markets bottomed in October of 23, and then November, December, January, February, March new all-time high, up 27%. Now we're up 29% as the markets have again in May made another consecutive new all-time high and bumped up another 2%. We're actually up 29%. To be up 29% was supposed to take 3 years, not a half of a year. And the same thing goes for 20 and 21. Markets were down 35% in 2020. They were up 25% in 2021. Markets went down 25% in 2022, then back up 20% in 2023. Now here you are in 2024, and again, the markets are at new all-time highs. Do you see how quickly these cycles are speeding up? That speed is what creates larger moves. The larger moves is what creates better trading opportunities for us to make money. It's not that the markets are at all-time highs, why I say it's the most opportunistic market ever. It's that when I look on it every day, I sit at my desk, I look at all my screens. The amount of opportunity that I see, I can write a book every day of the opportunities that I see in the markets. It never used to be like that. If you ask anybody that's been trading for longer than COVID, like anyone that's been trading, you traded in 2011, you traded in 2015, like when things weren't as crazy, you had to look for opportunity. You had to find it. Now you wake up in the morning and just slaps you right in the face. Just open your eyes. Just open your eyes. And if you can't, don't worry. That's why you got 16 eyes, 8 professional traders at your trading group that are looking for this stuff for you, that will bring these opportunities to your attention, that will alert you when their trades execute, when they get into a trade, when they get out of a trade, so that you can follow along with what we are doing and you can benefit from this market environment. You don't have to be in and out 100 times throughout the day. You don't have to buy and sell within seconds or minutes. You can swing trade. Buy a stock on Monday, sell it on Wednesday. Make 150% on your call option. That's what's taking place inside of True Trading Group on a daily basis. Guys, again, if you are not, make sure you are live. Make sure you're watching this video live. I'm doing a giveaway later on during the stream. Okay. You will have a 2-minute window to send a text message to us if your name is called. So make sure you're live. Click the live button at the bottom of the video. There's a little where it says live. Click it. You should see a little red dot. If you don't see a red dot, that means you're delayed. You see a red dot, that means you're live. Because if your name is called, you're going to have 2 minutes. But if you're delayed 5 minutes, then you're not going to text me within a 2-minute time frame. We're going to be waiting for you. You're not going to text us. We're going to move on. You're not going to win the prize. So again, make sure that you are up to date and you guys are watching this live. Okay? So that's my theory. That's my theory on why this is the most opportunistic environment that we've ever seen in our entire lives. I'm not surprised. I see what our members are doing. A lot of our members have had their best days, their best weeks, their best months, their best years ever in history. And in case you missed it before and you're just joining the live stream, I'll show you one more time. Members of TTG that are on this live stream, I know there's many of you because you're excited about this giveaway, right? And you're excited about to learn about how we're going to make money this week. Members of TTG, type the number 1 in chat right now if you are making money and you are becoming a better trader because of True Trading Group. Just type the number 1. If you're not a member, don't take my word for it. You shouldn't. I'm just a guy on YouTube. Okay. It doesn't matter if I've received a Trader of the Year award. Doesn't matter how long I've been doing this. I'm just a guy on YouTube, right? You shouldn't just take my word for it. Listen to your peers. Here are members of True Trading Group that were once in your exact same position, watching a YouTube video, listening to my live stream, figuring out how we're going to make money this week. Now they're sitting here telling you, yeah, I'm a member of TTG and I'm making money. Okay, so if they can do it, so can you. They're not luckier than you. They're not smarter than you. They don't have more time than you. They don't have more money than you. They are you. Or I should say they were you. Because maybe you would not be typing number 1 if I asked, are you making money? Maybe you're not typing the number 1. Maybe you're repeating over and over and over the same mistakes and the same strategies that have not led you to success over the last 3 years. Or maybe you're brand new at this. You see people talking about it. And you want to learn how. Well, you've come to the right place for that because we have over 10,000 members in 115 different countries. And you just saw how many of them are telling you that they're making money. They're becoming better traders. And if they can do it, then so can you. Listen, we got a lot going on this week, right? We got the U.S. labor report. I'm going to be going over how I'm going to make money this week, how my team's going to make money this week, how my members are going to make money this week. I'm going to give you guys some of my trade ideas. Then we got this giveaway. But you have to understand, at True Trading Group, we have banked our entire business on our members' success. Okay? There's a reason why we are okay offering a double your money back guarantee that I mentioned to you earlier. That double your money back guarantee is a way for us to prove to you how much that we believe in the platform that we've created. It's a way to prove to you how much that we stand by our members' successes. Because if our members weren't successful, I wouldn't be able to offer you double your money back. Now, I'm curious how many people are watching this live stream right now that are not members of True Trading Group. Before I get into everything tonight, I just want to make sure I see how many people are not members on here. If you're not a member, do me a favor, type the letters TTG, please. Type the letters TTG if you're not a member. I want to just see how many, if I have to, tailor the content a little differently, because I know we have a lot of members here, so they all know the lingo and they all know a lot of my stuff already. But if you're not a member, just type TTG so I can see who here is not part of the community yet. Let's see. We got America, Joel, David, 88 Gallon, EMATS. Yes, go ahead and type TTG, guys, if you're not part of the community. This way I get a good feel for who's on here that's not a member here just yet. We got 196, Jerry, Kareem, Kaba. Excellent. All right, cool. So we got a handful of people here. Yeah, I like that. Smooth Brain, my boy, what's up? Smooth Brain is a member. Says learning and earning. I like it. I like it. 88 Gallon says I was a member before. 88 Gallon, you got to come back home, brother. AF, what's up? Holloway, you're still breaks my heart, Holloway. Was a member before. All right, so listen up. So, especially Gallon, since you said you used to be a member. Guys, listen up real quick. Okay? Before I get into everything, right? Listen up. Give me 5 minutes. I'm going to tell you guys how you can join TTG. Okay? And tonight is actually the last night before the price jumps back up to over $1,000. I've got myself 15 laptops remaining for the people that are joining here today. Now, listen, the membership to True Trading Group is normally $2,212 for the year with everything included. There's no upsells or additional costs for those tools and courses that I mentioned to you earlier in the stream. But tonight on this live stream, you guys are able to get a 57% discount, which drops the price down to $950 for the whole year. That includes a brand new free laptop. All you need to do is go to ttgoffer.com. You're going to see a laptop icon in your checkout cart. As long as you see a laptop icon in the checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. Once we sell out of laptops, it'll no longer be visible in the checkout cart. Way to go, my boy J.E. Blanco, who's been a member for over 4 years. Says, best week this year, Mike, 68% gain on their account in 1 week. In 1 week. Congratulations, J.E. Blanco. Great job. Really great job. So like I said, remember, people that are not members, go to ttgoffer.com. Everything you see on that page is included for the $950. There is no additional cost or upsell for anything you see on ttgoffer.com. The $950 covers all of it. And you have the double your money back guarantee, which means I'm not giving you back $950. I would be giving you back $1,900. That's how that works. Now, the double your money back guarantee goes as follows. You join True Trading Group today, you pay $950. Fast forward, okay, go through all of our courses, go through our quizzes. Go through our courses, pass our quizzes, and attend one study group. You get a couple study groups free with your membership. I'm asking you to attend one of them. Okay, we do them every Thursday. Attend one. If you do those things and you are unable to make enough winning trades to equal the $950 membership fee, if you can't make the $950 membership fee at least one time, we will give you back $1,900. Because if you can't even make the $950, then that means our platform failed you, and we should give you more than just your money back, because that means we totally wasted your time. And everything I set up here on this YouTube channel was complete BS. So that's why I have no problem offering you double your money back. The money back guarantee is right there on the checkout page. It's in black and white. Go read it. I'm dead serious. It's right there. $1,900, I'll give it back to you. And you can keep the laptop. Now, what's included? Great. Glad you asked. Okay. You're going to be getting all of our courses, the 22 course curriculum, beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, you name it, we've got it. You get access to it. No, guys, there's no VIP courses. There's no pro courses that cost another $1,000 after you join. When you join, you get the 22 course curriculum. We have to welcome Ryan. Ryan just joined. Ryan's like, the hell with this. I'm in. I want my laptop. Ryan just joined. That means we only have 14 laptops left. Okay. The laptops, guys, are 15.6 inch. It has an AMD Ryzen GPU. It comes with Windows 11. It's a Vivo book. I mean, this thing is sick. It's totally free. We cover the shipping. We ship anywhere in the world. Okay. It's on us. You can use it to trade with. You can use it for work. You can give it to your kid for school. You can sell it on eBay for all I care. Okay. Sell it on eBay. Put the money back in your account. I don't care. It's our gift to you. But there's only 14 of them left now. Ryan just joined. Let me get back to what you're going to get for the $950, because again, it includes all of this. The courses, right? You're going to get all of our trade alerts. Use the mobile app, download it. It's free. iPhone, Android, doesn't matter. Download the mobile app. The mobile app allows you to be connected to our platform, even if you're not in front of a computer. You can see the screen share because the mods and I share our screens with you. The mods and I are talking to you on the microphone, walking you through our analysis. You get real-time push notifications when our mods enter trades, real-time push notification when our mods exit trades. 82% of our members have a full-time job. Okay. They can do this because of that mobile app. 82% have a full-time job. Watch this real quick. Watch. Members, do me a favor, members. If you guys are making money while working a full-time job, do me a favor, type the number 1, but then tell me, what do you do for a living? If you are making money with us while working a job, comment in chat, what do you do for a living, please, if you don't mind. I really want non-members to see what is truly possible. I'm not going to come on this live stream and tell you, join True Trading Group, and within 10 minutes a day, I'll show you how to make $10,000 every day. You can quit your job in 30 days, become a millionaire, and buy yourself a Lamborghini by the end of the year. I'm not going to come on here and tell you that because that's not something that's realistic and feasible. I'm not going to blow smoke up your ass. I'm not going to mislead you. What I am going to tell you is what I think is actually truly possible. And the best way for me to tell you what's possible is to show you what's possible. And by show you, I really mean have our members show you what's possible. Read some of these people's professions. IT consultant, wedding DJ, electrical engineer, loan officer, CNC operator, small business owner, consultant, truck driver, boilermaker, tree surgeon, bus painter, another truck driver, warehouse supervisor, electrician, car salesman, barber, warehouse operations, internal auditor, right? You can keep reading some of these comments. I'm not going to keep reading them all, but see if you see someone that maybe does the same thing for a living as you do. Because if they can do it, then what's your excuse? Now, you also get Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed, which that's over $1,000 a year. If you go to Benzinga directly, that's over $1,000 a year on its own. You get it included when you join True Trading Group for just $950. Shout out, big thanks to our partners at Benzinga. You get TradingView's premium charting software. That's about $600 a year if you go to TradingView directly. It's included when you join us. The Trade Idea Scanner streams on our platform. Some of you may pay for this stuff already. You join True Trading Group, you don't have to pay for this stuff anymore. You get 2 small private study group sessions, right? Our AI-powered trading and investment assistant. Thousands of hours of on-demand video library covering a variety of different topics. Our premium blog and forum, the moderators and all the diverse trading styles, our simulator, unusual options activity, dark pool data, options flow, short data, congressional trading data. You can track trades by members of Congress. You can create custom scans. All of this for $950. And a free laptop and a double your money back guarantee. That's what's available for you tonight for the next 14 people that join by going to ttgoffer.com. After midnight tonight, price jumps up to over $1,000. And we'll have no more laptops. We have 14 of them here left tonight, and that's it. And again, you'll know you're getting one of the laptops if you see it in your checkout cart. We cover shipping. It's totally free. All right? All you have to do is go to ttgoffer.com. Everything on that page is included for the $950. If anybody has any questions, And my boy 88, who said you used to be a member. Anybody that has any questions, listen carefully, okay? Send a text message to the phone number at the bottom of the screen. 1-888-306-8783. Again, that's 1-888-306-8783. And then also, if you used to be a member, if you are currently a trial member, or maybe you used to be a trial member, you must send us a text message so that we can whitelist your email address and get you guys this discount and get you guys the laptop. Because if you were to join, if you guys were to go and join on your own, it wouldn't come with the laptop or the $950 price point, because you were already a member or you were a trial member. So if you want the $950 with the laptop, you must text the number that's on the bottom of your screen. We have to welcome Connor. Connor just joined. Connor's the newest member of the group, guys, and that means we're down to 13 spots. So only 13 of these spots left. All right, then the price jumps up to over $1,000. So whatever happens first, 13 spots or midnight tonight, that's when this is no more. All right, price will be over $1,000. We got Connor in the house. 13 spots left. Again, if you see a laptop in your checkout cart, you're getting one. If you don't, that means we've sold out. All right, that's ttgoffer.com. I don't think you really need the double your money back guarantee, to be honest with you. I really don't think you need it, considering our refund rate's less than 2.5% over the last 5 years. But it's there to give you peace of mind. It's there to hold us accountable. And it's our way of proving to you how much that we believe in the platform that we've created. Because nobody else is going to give you a double your money back guarantee. Let's be honest. It's because they're not as confident in their platform's ability to help you make money. It's not about how much money that I make. Because I can make $10 million this year. It's not going to matter. I can make $1 billion this year. I'm not going to. But if I did, not one of those dollars would go towards paying your bills. And you're certainly not joining True Trading Group to watch other traders make money. You're joining True Trading Group to help you make money. That's why we offer the double your money back guarantee based on your ability to make back the $950. So the $1,900 money back guarantee, it's there for you guys. Again, it's right on the checkout pages in black and white. Go read it. All right. Now, another quick reminder, make sure that you are watching this live. There is a button on the bottom of the screen. It says live. Click it. Make sure there's a red dot. That means you're up to speed. If you're delayed and I call your name later, you're not going to know it. And time will have passed. And then your name's going to be called for you watching the recording, and it would have already happened. Okay. So make sure that you're watching this live before I do the giveaway that we have coming up. Okay. Sound good? Excellent. All right, guys, let's take things now on over to the charts. Let's talk about how we're going to make some money this week. Let's go over some trade ideas. First things first. I am surprised by what the markets did on Friday. I truly am. And I have no, listen, I'm humble. Listen, sometimes the market's going to do something that's going to make me scratch my head and be like, wow, okay, wasn't expecting that. And Friday is one of those scenarios. I'm humble enough to come on here and tell you that, hey, listen, sometimes I don't know what the market's, I really never know what the market's going. I don't know what the market's going to do. I have my thoughts, I have my theories, I have my analysis, right? And I have my ideas. But I'm not going to be right all the time. I don't have a 100% win rate. Nobody does. Okay. But I'm right a hell of a lot more than I am wrong. And I can sit here comfortably and confidently tell you that the markets did exactly what we thought Friday morning. It did the opposite of what I thought Friday afternoon. And it just goes to show you how volatile this market really is. Like, are you kidding me? Those markets went from 525 all the way to 518 just to go all the way to 528. Insane. Okay. Absolutely insane action, right? So where does this leave us now as we sit here, the futures market? Okay. The futures market is the futures market is green, right? We're up over 0.2%. All right. We're up about 0.23%. Okay. Now, after Friday's action, you have to go back to looking at 525 as support. You have to. You got to start, because this level, this line on my screen used to be resistance, was your previous all-time high. You gapped above it the day that you had the CPI data came out. Then it sat here and it became support, right? You sat back on, it became support. Then you gapped underneath it and it was resistance. And that's when you got the big sell-off on Friday, but now you're back above it. Okay. Now you're back above it. So now that you're back above this level, I have to say, okay, well then this level has not shown me that it's no longer relevant. It's still relevant. So we have to start to say to ourselves, we have to look for it to be support now coming into this week. And then maybe the labor report, maybe there's a catalyst this week that gives us a bigger move, that breaks us back underneath this level. But for the time being, as it stands right now, we are back above this level. So you have to go right back to thinking, okay, I have to be thinking about longs. And my new resistance level is right here, this gap fill. Okay, it's right around 530. This gap fill, okay, right here, that's going to be one potential level of resistance. It's a minor level of resistance. Okay, it's a minor level. And then you're going to go right back to this minor resistance level, and then you just have your all-time high. And those are your three resistance levels that I see right now on the SPY. It's around 530, 531 and a half, and then 533. And that's it. Right? That's it. Those are the resistance levels that I see. Okay? Now, full disclosure. Last week, when we were underneath this level, I had said to you, I'm looking for a move back into this region, right? You have these big gaps down here. You have one gap here and one gap here. And these are two, this actually came from last month's labor report. Well, what are we getting this week? The labor report is exactly one Friday, will be exactly 1 month from this gap up, right? This gap up came from the US labor report. We're about to get that. So I actually thought once this support level that is here, once that broke, I thought we were going to get ourselves back down to here. We have to welcome Wyatt. Wyatt's the newest member of the group, guys. That means we're now down to 12 of these spots, 12 spots left, 12 laptops left. Everybody welcome Wyatt. Guys, go to ttgoffer.com. If you guys want to be part of the community, part of the family, we're giving away a brand new free laptop tonight for the next 12 people that join. You're getting a 57% discount, brings the price down to $950 for the entire year, and it comes with a double your money back guarantee. Okay? If you can't make the $950 back at least once, we'll give you back $1,900. It's right there on the checkout page. Go read the double your money back guarantee. HT Weed says, yo, people, I just started this a couple weeks ago and I'm learning a shitload and I'm still learning before I start using my own money. I love it, HT Weed. I love the approach. I love the approach. There's so much educational material on our platform. You have the simulator. You can practice trading with fake money while you're learning. So any mistakes that you're going to make, and you're going to make mistakes. Even when you're just trying to follow other traders, you're going to make mistakes. So make those mistakes on the simulator before you start risking your hard-earned money. We also have to welcome Chad. Chad, welcome to the family. 11 spots left, guys. These are going quick. I'm telling you now. We also got a bunch of people on the checkout page right now. This is not going to last till I'm done with the stream. Hurry up. Go to ttgoffer.com. Get yourself one of these spots. There's 11 of them left. Okay. Remember, laptop's free. We cover the shipping. We ship anywhere in the world. We have members in 115 different countries. I don't care where you live. As long as it's Earth, I'll get you the laptop. Unless maybe you live in like North Korea. I probably won't send you a laptop. We have no members in North Korea. I can say that. Okay. But you live anywhere else, we'll get you that, Brian. We'll get you that laptop. All right. We'll get you that laptop. All right. So Chad, welcome to the family. All right. So that's what I was originally thinking when we were looking at the SPY, but Friday's price action kind of takes that off the table for now. I have to wait. We've got to wait for us to get back beneath that level before I can think about really leaning into things for the short side, okay? So we're going to look for the markets to stabilize. I think the markets are going to be range bound back inside of this consolidation. So you see how you had this consolidation for about a week and a half? I think we're going to be back into price action that looks something similar to that prior to leading up to the labor report on Friday. And then the labor report on Friday, I think can maybe give us a bigger move, give us an outsized move. What is an outsized move? That's a move that is where the range on the day is larger than the average. What are some examples? That's an outsized day. That's an outsized day. That's an outsized day. And these are more typical days, right? You can see these are more typical days where the range on the day is smaller, right? So I think the U.S. labor report can give us one of those bigger ranges. We got to welcome Bridget. Bridget, welcome to the family. Only 10 spots now remain. Guys, only 10 spots remain. Bridget, welcome. Guys, remember, if you have any questions, we are fully transparent. We'll answer anything you want to know. Just send a text message, 1-888-306-8783. Again, that's 1-888-306-8783. Phone number's right down there at the bottom of the screen. Join us now. You got the W money back guarantee, guys, and a free laptop, but that's all over tonight or the next 10 people. So hurry up and jump on it. All right. Let's get on over to some individual stocks. Well, if we got to start thinking about the markets back above that level, I got to have some longs on the watch list this week. And the first one I'm going to is going to be Apple. Apple looks, in my opinion, it looks great. It looks like it's ready to break out this flat top. You have a flat resistance right there. Very clean, very clear. It's at 193. If Apple takes out 193, I think you can see a move to at least 196, maybe a little bit higher. The resistance level I'm looking at here for Apple is around 196 to 198. Call it 197 to play it safe, right? See that resistance? You know what? I'll make it even easier for you. Resistance. Okay. What I'm looking for from Apple, if the markets do move higher this week, then Apple's the name I want to try to be long. And we're going to look for Apple to do something like this. Okay. We'll look for Apple to just climb your way higher and get up into that resistance. And then I would get flat into that resistance. I would not look for Apple to like take out that high and like really get over 200, 205. Not this week, at least. I would take profits into the high 197s, but we're going to look for a break above 193. We're going to see that break. We're going to try to get long. We're going to stop out around 192, and we're going to try to get ourselves a $3 to $4 move from the stock while risking only $1. All right, so I like that. 3 to 1, 41. I like that risk reward. Let's look for that play this week. Lorenzo, welcome to the family. Now we're down to just 9 of these spots. All right, 9 spots remain. Everybody welcome Lorenzo. You guys got that brand new laptop. Remember, totally free. We cover shipping. Only 9 of them left. Go to ttgoffer.com. Grab one now. All right. So, guys, also make sure you're live. Click that live button. All right. Keep reminding you. All right. So there's a long. We're also going to look at CCJ. We're going to look at CCJ, uranium company. Now, we've made really good money on this stock over the last several months. We caught this long. We killed this thing at the beginning of April. We caught that move in the beginning of April. Okay. We caught that move in the beginning of April. And then we also caught that move in mid-April. So we nailed this thing, right? We nailed this thing. But the reason why I want to pay attention to CCJ is because look at what we have here. This is the all-time chart for CCJ. And wouldn't you know, the all-time high, which was put in 2007, is $56. Does anyone like to know where CCJ currently sits? $56. So we are back to a massive level of resistance. And what I'm going to be looking for now is to see, can we actually break that level? And what I'm going to do is we're going to look for there to be support. Okay, we're going to look for there to be support in the low 50s. So follow me here on my charts. Resistance, 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 broke above, support, support. Let's look for this to be support on a consolidation, right? So on a pullback consolidation, let's look for that to be support. And then let's look for a new all-time high for CCJ, as I'm still bullish on uranium. Basim, Basim, I think it's Basim. Welcome to the TGD family, Basim. 8 of these spots now remain. That's it. 8 left. Guys, hurry up. Who doesn't want a free laptop? I don't care if you don't even need one. Sell it on eBay. Put the money back in your account. So it's like, then it's not even like you're getting a 57% discount on our membership. It's like you're getting an 80% discount on our membership, right? It's your gift. It's our gift to you for joining the family. We got 8 of them left. As long as you see one in your checkout cart, right up there, as long as you see one in the checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one, all right? As long as you see it, you're getting it, right? And you got the W money back guarantee, of course, that you guys are all well aware of, because less than 2.5% of our members, that's the refund rate, less than 2.5%. 78% of our members renew their membership or they become a lifetime member. Why do you think that is? Would you renew your membership if you didn't make any money or if you lost money? Would you become a lifetime member if you didn't learn anything? Of course not. Watch this. Members of TTG, do me a favor. Type the number 2 if you're a lifetime member or you have renewed your annual membership. Type the number 2 if you're a lifetime member or you have renewed your annual membership. Now, anyone that's watching this live stream that's still skeptical, pay attention to how many people type the number 2, and then let's play out a hypothetical. Hypothetically, let's say you join True Trading Group today. You spend $950. We also do offer Klarna, Afterpay, and PayPal credit. So if you guys want to use those financing options to join the membership, you certainly can. We do accept Klarna, Afterpay, and PayPal credit. We're approved by those those vendors. So you guys are able to use Klarna, Afterpay, and PayPal credit if you would like. All right. But now let's fast forward a year from now. Let's say it's June 2nd, 2025. It's time for your membership to either renew or for you to cancel. If you made no money, are you going to renew your membership? Probably not. If you made no money, are you going to spend thousands of dollars to become a lifetime member? Definitely not. So why do you think all those people that you just saw type the number 2 did? It's because our platform works. And it doesn't just work for seasoned professionals. It works for beginners, novice, intermediates, the everyday person. 82% of our members have a full-time job. If they can do this, then so can you. And I believe so strongly in that statement that we offer a double your money back guarantee. Simple as that. All right. So CCJ, you guys, all right, we already talked about Apple. We got CCJ, right? We're going to see if CCJ can hold support in the low 50s and see if we can get an extension to a new all-time high on CCJ. We got to watch the uranium ETF, URA. It's a uranium ETF that's trying to get itself through this nasty resistance level here in the low to mid 30s. But let's keep an eye on it. If there's a breakout, I think if there's a breakout on this ETF, I think CCJ could go. Now we have to welcome Val. Val, welcome. 7 spots remain. Everybody welcome Val. Only 7 spots left now. Remember, any questions, text us, 1-888-306-8783. Okay, now Tesla. Yes, Tesla, back on my watch list for this week. I'm really liking this consolidation on Tesla. I'm more neutral on Tesla. I see 2 major levels, and I'm looking for one of them breaks. I'm following that direction. Part of me is leaning towards the long, but I'm pretty neutral. All right. I don't have like high conviction long. I don't have high conviction short. I think the stock is coming up to an inflection point. I feel like the stock is coiling up like a spring, and I feel like it's traded sideways for about 3 weeks. It's ready to give you some direction. So let's talk about the setup we have here on Tesla. Tesla has a very obvious support level around the 50-day moving average. The stock is being sandwiched between 2 major moving averages. The dark blue line is the 50-day moving average. The purple line is the 100-day moving average. And you can see there's the bottom support of the 50-day, and it's being sandwiched by the 100-day on top. Now, if you look at this purple line, look at what has happened the last couple of times that we have touched it. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Okay. So it's very obvious right now. The 100-day moving average is acting as resistance. It's also very obvious right now that the 50-day moving average is acting as support. So what I'm looking for here for Tesla, and I'm going to have our AI, our TTG Mar, I'm going to have this thing really keep eyes on Tesla for me and be able to mark this for me to let me know when this thing is really starting to go. But I'm looking at if Tesla gets above this purple line, I'm looking for Tesla to make a move. Okay. I'm looking for Tesla to push higher. You've got a lot of news releases lately on Tesla. There's the recall. They recalled a bunch of vehicles. They were releasing full self-driving in China. You have a lot of different headlines around Tesla this last month or so. So keep your ears and eyes open for news releases. Use that Benzinga news feed that comes free with your membership. Remember, that's $1,000 a year on its own. If you guys were to go to Benzinga directly, it's included on our platform. So make sure you're using that to make sure you're always up to date with the news and everything. Use our AI to notify you whenever there's something that comes out that can tell you, hey, this is what it is. This is the sentiment. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? And everything else. Okay. Stay up to date with that. But if we break through this 100-day moving average, I think you can see Tesla start to make a move. The flip side of that, if Tesla takes out this bottom support in the high 160s, you got to watch out. If Tesla takes out like 168 and gets down underneath it, then I think this stock has actually room to drop because your next support level is 158. And that's that's a very obvious level you guys see here. I'll draw it out. I'm sorry. It's obvious to me. That's not fair. I've been doing this for 18 years. So yeah, it should be obvious to me, but not obvious. It might not be obvious to everybody. I apologize for that one. But here you guys can see, here's this resistance level, double top. You got this huge gap up and then boom, boom, double bottom, right? Doesn't get double top, double bottom, bang, bang. There's your support level. So there's that 158, 159, whatever it is, 158.50. That's your support level. If the 50-day moving average gives and you break 168, now the 50-day is 172, but 168 to me is the break of the level. If 168 breaks, then I look for a $10 move to the downside to 158 over the course of maybe 2 to 3 days. So this is why I'm a little bit more neutral, but you can see here, see the dark blue and the purple? They're really like, it's just like squishing the stock together. See, it's like squishing it together and you're coming to an inflection point. We got to go one way or the other. All right. We're coming to an inflection point. One of these has to give. Let's keep Tesla on watch this week. We have to welcome Curtis. Curtis is the newest member of the group. Now we're down to just 6 of these spots. Everybody welcome Curtis. 6 spots left. And then last but not least, Spotify. Yes, Spotify making it on the list on the back of an ascending triangle. An ascending triangle with a uptrend support line, with a 50-day moving average, with a prior level of support. Okay, here we go. Let's take a look at Spotify. Let's go all the way back to 2021. Bang, bang, support, right? So there it is. Previous support. You broke underneath it and it became resistance here in 2021, right? It was resistance all the way back there in 2020, even prior to that. But you see this in structure back there in 2021. Now let's fast forward it all the way here to this year. And now you guys can see, look at this uptrend support. Support, 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 support. Okay, beautiful uptrend support line. Very clear, okay, flat top resistance. And just like Tesla is coming to an inflection point, we're coming to an inflection point here on Spotify. What I'm looking for here on Spotify is it's not just the significance of this uptrend line. So there's that uptrend line, right? But it's also the 50-day moving average, the dark blue line. So if this, oops, wrong drawing tool. If this breaks, okay, I will look for that to become resistance and roll. Okay, and roll. And the support level is the low 270s. Okay, so I'm looking at maybe a $15 move, a break of, let's say, 290, and we drop to 275. So we look for a 15-point move. But again, only if this level breaks. Okay, so if that level breaks, we're looking for a move to 275 over the course of a couple of days. All right, guys? And that's it. So there we have it. All right, there we have it. Those are my top trade ideas coming into the week. Obviously, we'll have a lot more ideas get added to the list. Once news comes out, economic data comes out, Fed members speak and everything else. But those are top trade ideas for the week. That brings me to the second code word. The second code word for tonight's giveaway is report. The second code word is report. Yes, report is the second code word. So the first code word is jobs. The second code word is report, jobs report. That's the biggest catalyst for the stock market this week. It's what's going to move the markets the most. Don't try to trade this on your own. Let myself and the 8 professional traders at TTG guide you. All right. And let the 10,000 members of TTG support you. All right. So there we go. All right. So those are the code words. That brings us to the giveaway. It is giveaway time, folks. So here's what's going to go down. We're going to put everyone's name into a random name picker called the Wheel of Names. We're going to spin the wheel. If your name is called, you will have 2 minutes to send a text message to the phone number you see on the screen right there. 786-292-1606. 786-292-1606. You text that number within 2 minutes. You give us both code words. The prize is yours. Now, if you're an annual member of True Trading Group, you will be receiving 1 year free of STR. STR is an additional $800 value on the TTG platform. You'll get it free for the entire year. If you're not a member of True Trading Group, don't worry about what STR is. You'll learn when you become a member. But it's like $800 a year, and you're going to get it for free if you guys win it here tonight. If you're a lifetime member, you're going to get a bonus skip the line one-on-one with any moderator of your choice. So as lifetime members, you get 4 individual one-on-one coaching sessions with our mods every year for life. You're going to get an additional 5th one this year, and you're going to be able to skip the line. You can do it this week. You don't have to, if you want to do it with me, if I got a 2-month waiting list, you guys can do it this week. No problem. We have to welcome Orlando. Orlando, welcome. 5 spots left. Orlando, welcome to the family. Guys, any questions, text us 1-888-306-8783. Text us with questions. All right. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead. We're going to start that giveaway. Joseph, let's pull up the wheel of names and let's go ahead and spin that wheel. And the first winner is David Lee. Ah, that was refreshing. David Lee made it easy for me. Sometimes I get these really hard names. David Lee, you have 2 minutes to send a text message to 786-292-1606. The phone number is at the bottom of the screen, David. If you can text me within the next 2 minutes, now 1 minute and 50 seconds. Okay. 1 minute and now 40 seconds. If you can text 786-292-1606 and give me both code words. Whoa, he got it. He got it. Done. Boom. David Lee just got it. Congratulations, David Lee. You have just won. Way to go, David Lee. That's incredible. That was extremely fast. Congratulations, David Lee. Congrats, my man. Congrats. Excellent. All right. Joseph. And he's a lifetime member. And David Lee's a lifetime member. Excellent. David Lee is a lifetime member of True Trading Group. Congratulations, David. All right, Joe, let's spin that wheel. And the next winner is, who's it going to be? Let's find out. Jeremy Albright. Jeremy Albright, you've got 2 minutes, brother. Send a text message, 786-292-1606. Give me both code words. The prize is yours, Jeremy Albright. You have 1 minute and 50 seconds. 1 minute and 45 seconds. The clock is ticking, Jeremy. Outdo David Lee. Well, too late. David Lee already texted by now. So you're now 25 seconds in. David Lee got it in about 23 or 24 seconds. So you're now down to, and he got it. Jeremy Albright just got it. Boom. That's what I'm talking about, guys. I love it. I love to see it. I love to hear it. Congratulations, Jeremy Albright. Is he also a lifetime member? Is that 2 lifetime members tonight, Joe? I think that's 2 lifetime members. Is it? Joseph? Checking. Pivot. All right, Joe. Joe's checking by number because he used a different email. All right, it's okay. It's fine. Jeremy, you won anyway, brother. Congratulations. Whether you're a lifetime member or an annual member, congratulations. You, my friend, nailed it. You won. Congrats. All right, folks, that does it for me. I hope you guys really enjoyed the live. Hope you're excited for this week. We had a huge week last week. Oh, we got to welcome Paul. Paul sneaking in there at the end. Paul, welcome to the family. 4 spots left. Yes, there's only 4 left. Laptop, W money back guarantee. You guys get it. All the courses, all the tools, everything on ttgoffer.com. It's all included for $950. That's 57% off. The price is over $1,000 after midnight tonight. 4 spots left for the laptop. Remember, as long as you see that laptop icon in your checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. And folks, I'm giving you a W money back guarantee. Take advantage of this. You got the free laptop. I don't think you need the money back guarantee, but it's there to give you peace of mind. It's there to hold us accountable. And it is my way of proving to you how much that I believe in the platform that we have created and how much I stand behind the things that I say on this stream. I'm not going to tell you what you want to hear. I will tell you what you need to hear. And we back everything up with our own money. And that's how we prove it to you. All right. Any questions? Don't hesitate. 1-888-306-8783. Thanks for tuning in tonight, folks. Hope you guys had a great time. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your